Hi everyone, I'm Shreya. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about a mindset shift that changed everything for me. So, have you ever had one of those days where you do nothing? No studying, no exercise, no journaling, literally nothing productive, and you feel like you have failed yourself. I have been there, so I know exactly how it feels like. But there's this mindset shift that changed everything for me, and once you'll understand it, it will change everything for you as well, and you will want to follow it. So hear me out. It started from a Reddit comment and it went viral for a reason. No 0 days means never let a day go by without doing something, even the tiniest of the action toward your goal. It still counts. Even if it is reading one page, even if it is writing one line in your journal, even if it is doing one push up, it still counts. Zero progress is equals to zero hope, but tiny progress is equals to infinite hope, and I want you guys to understand this. This rule removes the pressure of being perfect because you are not chasing big wins every day and you are building identity based consistency. It tells your brain that I'm a person who shows up even on the bad days. And this mindset, guys, it builds so much of confidence and you will feel so much good about yourself after doing anything, even the tiniest of the action. So I want you guys to take action even if it is tiny, it doesn't matter. Alright? And it is from where the real momentum comes, guys. It is not from motivation, it is not from mood, but it is from action, even if it is tiny. So please understand. There were days when I didn't feel like doing it, but I told myself like one small action. That's all. I'm not asking you to do big things. I'm just asking you to do a small thing every day. It will build consistency and it will build confidence at the same time. So please make a promise to yourself that no 0 days at all. You will do something every day and future self is gonna thank you for it. And if you liked my mindset shift, please subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna come with a lot of more mindset shift for you guys. So yes.